air. I am melting.
Look, Lucy. Our luggage is here. I can see it on the belt. Wow. It is completely empty. 5 kilos.
Yes. Because I am wearing all my clothes. I am a genius, Ben.
Okay, genius. Take off your jackets and put them inside the suitcase. It is empty.
Good idea. I am so hot. I want to take off this jacket right now. Oh no. The zipper is stuck. I cannot take off my jacket.
Oh no. The zipper is stuck. I cannot open your jacket.
This is a disaster. You cannot take off your jackets. Let's just go outside.
Oh my gosh. It feels like an oven outside. I am so hot, and the zipper is still stuck.
I told you Dubai is hot. Come on, let's get a taxi right now. Hello, my friends. Do you need a ride? Where do you want to go?
Yes, please. We need a ride to the City Center Hotel.
Oh no! I am stuck again! I cannot fit inside the car!
Please turn on the air conditioning. Maximum! I need cold air right now.
Oh, the air conditioning is perfect. I am not hot anymore. This is amazing.
Now I am freezing. The air conditioning is too cold. Please turn it down.
Turn it down? No way. It is perfect in here.
You planned this, didn't you?
Ben, I think I am ready to pay the $100. Please help me with the zipper. Ben! Ben! Look at that hotel. That is our hotel? Are you sure?